At 8:38 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mayfield, Fulton, Hickman, Clinton, Fulgham, Sedalia, Casey, Linville, Wingo, and Water Valley. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Fulton, Graves, and Hickman. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Purchase area today.